Alright guys, the Money Pit Caddy videos have been getting a lot of views, so I figured I'd make a quick update on it. I'm actually driving it right now. The check engine light went off. I don't know, it's probably gonna come back on. I don't know. I didn't clear the code or anything, it just went off, so. We're gonna start getting it ready to, make it road worthy. And we're gonna fix the windshield because the windshield has a crack in it, won't pass inspection. I gotta fix that side mirror and maybe get some new tires, and that's pretty much it. I mean, it's pretty worthy. All the lights work, the turn signals work. I'm actually driving it to the shop right now. There she goes. She has 152 on her. Drives really smooth for a car with this much mileage. I need to get new wiper blades. These wiper blades suck. But yeah, let you guys know when we get there. It needs an alignment too, but didn't really need that to pass inspection. That's the main goal right now, is to get it to pass inspection. So, but alignment is on the list of things to get done. Alright, this is the new garage shuttle. It is not worthy of driving very far, but for short trips to get tools and such, I guess they can use it for that if they don't mind it not having insurance and not being registered. But it's here, so that means we're gonna start working on it and getting it ready. So yeah, it's just a broken car garage. This one's kind of broken. That one is broken. Transmission, just kind of like the teeth on the gear just like fell off, so whatever. And this one, the clutch is broken, so that's also broken. So out of all the broken cars, 2 of them drive, so at least they drive. Just one is illegal. And I think this one's kind of illegal. I don't know if he has his insurance turned on back yet, but yeah. Just a quick update. Thanks for this nerd for giving me a ride. I know you guys like this video. I don't know why you guys like this car. I don't know why you even watched the video. This car is a fucking piece of shit. But that's it. And catch you guys in the next video.